Hi there everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Nissan Micra. This is the K13 model 2012, and I'm just going to show you how you can access any of the bulbs here and replace them. So you have a side light, we have an indicator bulb, we have a fog light, and also, so we just need to open the boot here to access. So on this side we have the reverse light, indicator and side light. So this car has one reverse light at the back and one fog light. So that's the fog and that side has the reverse. So both sides will be the same procedure. I'm gonna show you here. If you remove these 10mm bolts here, which I've already undone to save some time. I actually use this spanner to get access to those, but you can you could use 10mm socket, might be a bit easier. I just haven't got my 10mm socket at the minute. So once you remove those, you need to pull this little light out like so. It will be easier with two hands, and also you avoid damaging anything. So in here we have these two. If you press them, you will be able to remove this bulb holder here. So let's just this gets stuck a bit sometimes. We just want to unstick it a little bit, basically, so we can pull this out. Try not to break this thing, because it kind of keeps the water out of getting into the bulbs. And of course it might be easier if you actually remove the connection here. But to remove that, we need something like a screwdriver. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove this connection here. It might be a little bit easier to get the holder out. Okay, if we put something, if we just lift this little clip here, then we should be able to get this out. Then you can have that out, and it might be easier to remove this cover without damaging it too much. Just basically trying not to break it, even though it might be not possible, but take your time. Patience is key. Okay, let's get this out. Right, now we can press on the clips, get that out. That will give you access to all the bulbs here. So we have a fog down here, indicator bulb, and this is the side light and brake light bulb actually. So that's got twin filaments in there. That's single and that's single. And to remove these, you just press that in, twist anti-clockwise and take it out. That has the two little pins which are in line with each other, and they're not offset this way either. This is a 12 volt 2 watts P2W bulb. So you get the new bulb, press it in, twist, and it's done. Indicator bulb, same idea, press in, anti-clockwise, take it out. This is a PYW bulb. Those little pins are a little bit offset from each other, so you need to get the correct ones. Press that in, twist, and it locks into place. And then we have this one, same procedure. Again, the little pins at the bottom are in line with each other, but when you look at it from the side, they are a little bit offset. So one is lower than the other one. And this particular bulb, it's, if it says somewhere there, it does say something. It's just a bit microscopic to the eye. Can't really see. I'm gonna check one of the other ones that I have, a new one. Right. So this can only fit one way, and it's not that way. So it's gonna be the other way around. In it goes and twists. And that's it. So then you can get that back in there, plug it back in, make sure those clips clip on there, get your little gasket back on, and notice those two pins there, they need to plug in there. So we have connection back in, and that back in, and 10mm screws back in. So I'm just going to go and get a bulb with a twin filament to show you which one goes in there. Okay, this is the bulb that goes in there for the brake light and the side light. It says stop plus tail. So R380 12 volt 21 and 5 watt bulb with the twin filaments, and you can see the little pins are in line with each other, but they are offset here. So on some of these, they will be offset here. So this pin will be sitting somewhere here. So that's why you need to get the correct ones. And we're pretty much done here. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next videos. Thank you for watching.